Welcome back to How to Authority. Now, if you want to take your photography on your Samsung device to the next level, then taking your photos in RAW is the way to go, because those large uncompressed photos give you just the biggest amount of control. So how exactly do you set all that up? Well, first off, you need to know if your phone even supports RAW photography, and pretty much all Samsung flagships from 2022 onwards do. Then you actually need a separate app called Expert RAW, and whenever you want to do it, you are going to have to go into that rather than the standard camera app. And what doesn't help is that the two of them look very similar. Once you are in it, however, you can start, and there's quite a few key controls you need to get a grasp of, including ISO, which basically just controls exactly how bright the image gets at the expense of some noise and graininess. You also get the shutter speed, which controls exactly how much light goes into the image, though of course if it's something fast moving that will result in blur. EV, which is just kind of general exposure control, and finally focus and white balance, which are kind of self-explanatory. You can also click on the cogwheel to access more options for the app itself. Once you've taken a photo, you can of course edit it. However, it's a bit of a different process with RAW. So if I go into the photo album here, as you can see, there's a little icon in the bottom left for all photos taken with RAW. And if I just go into it and then go on to edit, as you can see, the amount of options I get compared to a regular photo is very limited. That is why there's separate apps that you can download on the Google Play Store specifically for editing RAW photos. Or if you want even more control, then you can move into something like, say, a desktop with Photoshop or Lightroom, which will give you plenty of options as well. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about getting started with RAW photography on your Samsung smartphone. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.